Do you want to keep a track record of all the tweets done by your competitors, done by your influencers, or done by any specific user into the Google Sheets? Then this video is for you, because here I am going to show you how to save users' tweets in Google Sheets automatically. So what will happen every time any specific user makes a tweet into his profile, the same tweet details will be saved automatically into the spreadsheet. So if you also want to collect the tweets of your competitors into the Google Sheets automatically, come with me and I'll show you how you can set this automation for yourself. Now, to automate this process, I'll have to first build an integration and Twitter and Google spreadsheet, and I'm going to do that with the Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software, and I'm already an existing user, so I am already logged in into the dashboard, and you can also create your free account in just 2 minutes, and you will also get free task to test this automation in the free account. Now, once you will log in, click on this blue button that is create workflow and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I will provide the name something like when new tweet is done by any user, add tweet details in sheet. Okay, I'm providing this particular name. Now click on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes in front of you. So these are actually trigger and action. Okay, so to trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Try to understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say, then send an email via Gmail application automatically. Okay, according to our use case, whenever any user makes a tweet into the Twitter application, then automatically save those tweets detail into the Google Sheets application. Okay, so this is how I'm selecting Twitter and Google Sheets in this trigger window and the action window. Okay, and this is how you will also have to select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, in this case we are building an automation in Twitter and Google Sheets. Okay, now the idea here is, as soon as any user makes a tweet, okay, you can even read the instructions. It is clearly written that triggers when a specific user tweets. Okay, as soon as when any user makes a tweet, this automation should trigger. Basically the details of that tweet should be captured via Pabbly Connect. For that I'll have to connect Twitter with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, and it will ask you for the access. Okay, but I am already logged in into different tabs, so instead of asking me for the access, it has directly asked me for the permission, and the authorization is successful, and my Twitter account is now connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the username. Enter the Twitter username here. Okay, so basically you need to provide the username of that Twitter profile whose details, whose tweets you would like to fetch into the sheet. Okay, so in this case I have the profile as this Pabbly demo, and currently I am following in total 4 people. Okay, this is just a testing account. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, I am following these 4 people, and I want that whenever this Gary Monroe, this specific user, will make any tweet, the details of that tweet should be captured into the Google Sheet, so that my team can keep a track record from the sheet itself. Okay, so this is the profile of Gary Monroe, and assume that he is the one of the competitor of mine, and that is why I want to fetch the tweets here into the spreadsheet. Okay, so I have copied the name, basically the username, and now I am going to paste this username here, and as soon as I'll click on this button, you will see whatever the tweet the Gary Monroe has tweeted recently into his profile, the details of that tweet will be captured as its response is in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I am going to make a new tweet in front of you. Alright, so I have already opened the profile of this Gary Monroe into a different app. Here you can see, and then I am going to make a new tweet in front of you as a Gary Monroe. Okay, and you will see how the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, So I am posting this random content, okay, and assume that this is one of my competitor and he is actually sharing the details of his company, of his updates. Okay, we are launching ChatGPT soon in the Kapier's integration library. Stay tuned for more updates. What else we are launching? So WhatsApp Cloud API will be launched in the next 7 days. We are also planning to create documentation videos for our top 100 application. Okay, so assume that he's actually making this particular tweet. Okay, once I have made this tweet, I'll go back to my Pabbly Connects dashboard and then I will click on this button once again in front of you, and you will see how the details of that recent tweet will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Alright, here you can see the response is received once again. Let me show you the details. Okay, in this particular response I will take you to the full text section. Alright, here you can see this is the full text section, and here I have all the data. It is the same data which Gary Monroe, I'm sorry for that, Gary Monroe has posted on his profile. We are launching ChatGPT soon in the Kapier's integration library. Stay tuned for more updates. What else we are launching? WhatsApp Cloud API will be launched in the next 7 days, and we are also planning to create documentation videos for our top 100 application. Okay, along with the text, I'll have to check that what other details I have inside this response, in this particular response. All right, so I have the screen name as well. Okay, I'm also looking for the name of the person. All right, we have the username as well, and I am also looking for the date of this tweet, and yes, we have this date as well. Okay, so I think I have sufficient data, and the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Twitter and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, and once you will capture this data manually inside Pabbly Connect, and when after that this automation will work in real time, in every 10 minutes this trigger will check for the new data. Okay, so what will happen in every 10 minutes, whatever the post done by Gary Monroe will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Again, I'm repeating, in every 10 minutes, not in real time. Okay, now I am going to save this tweet information into the Google Sheets. So the application has been selected already. In the action event, I will select this add new row. Now click on connect, click on add a new connection and sign in with the Google. Okay, I have already connected my sheet, my account with the Pabbly Connect earlier, so I am going with the existing connections. But if you're building this connection for the first time, you'll have to go with the new connections only. Now here you can see, once your Google Sheets account is connected with the Pabbly Connect, whatever the spreadsheets are available inside your Google account have started visible here. Okay, so I have created specifically this sheet, that is Twitter record tweets done by user. It is visible at the top only. Okay, so I have selected the same. In the select sheet, it is tweet, it is visible that tweet. Okay, and the same sheet is visible here which has got selected, and whatever the columns I have created into my spreadsheet, basically I have created 3 columns. Okay, so these 3, the same columns are visible here also. Okay, so I just need to provide the details here, and this is how the details will be added here automatically. Okay, and from where I'm going to provide this detail, remember we have captured the data into our previous step, and I don't even need to manually copy this data and paste it here. Basically I'm going to map this data into the Google Sheets. Okay, so how you can do that, let me show you, let me explain you. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above steps data here in the drop down asking for the username. Okay, so you can actually search for this data here from the search bar, and here we have the screen name or name. Okay, so I will be mapping this username, asking for the text or the tweet. Okay, so I remember the text was with the full text name. All right, here you can see we are launching the ChatGPT soon. Okay, so I have mapped the second detail as well, and now finally I will be mapping the date as well, which was with the name created. Okay, so here we have the date. Okay, so I have mapped all 3 details, and now you must be thinking, what is this mapping? Okay, so if you will provide any data here manually, this data will remain same all the time, every time. Okay, but if you will provide this detail with the help of mapping, okay, so whatever the details you are going to map here will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. I repeat, what will happen when this automation will work in real time, every time a new tweet is done by this user, Pabbly Connect is firstly going to capture that detail, and and that new tweet details will be replaced. It will replace these existing values. Okay, so that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation, and this is how this automation is going to take place. All right, so I have clicked on that button save and send test request and waiting for that tweet to be added inside my Google Sheets, and here you can see the data has been added automatically. Okay, so this is how now onwards every time this particular user is going to make any new tweet, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect, and now you can share this particular sheet with your team members so that they can keep an eye on all the tweets done by your competitor. Okay, and in order to automate this process, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can simply close Pabbly Connect. You can sit back and relax. Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the shareable link of this workflow into the description box. Okay, simply click on that link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.